So, I just got back from ground zero of a recent natural disaster. Ground zero being Fort Myers, Florida. Fort Myers Beach was one of the hardest hit areas of Hurricane Ian on September 28th. Now, 1 month later, I took my camera and documented what I saw after a hurricane wreaked havoc on that area. Let's get into it. So to start out, this is San Carlos Boulevard. One thing you're going to notice is a lot of trash everywhere. On the other side of this housing addition, you're going to just see nothing but boats in this mangrove swamp area. Now, Fort Myers Beach. So this is what is mostly seen on the news. It was one of the most hardest impacted areas, and I have some before and after pictures we'll show here in a bit. This is essentially how they're getting all the garbage out. People just pile it along the side of the road, and the scooper just comes up and gets it. And the trash is just never ending. This is people's complete livelihoods, just completely thrown out onto the side of the road. This is footage of a place called Cottage Point, which is a trailer park located off of Summerlin Road on the way to Sanibel. And this place just doesn't get a break. Back on April 29th of this year, they had just had a tornado go through, and now they're left with this. Here's a Walmart gas station, and one thing that you'll notice a lot down there is that signs are no longer a thing. Businesses have to put out by the side of the road that they're even open, and most businesses just do not have signs to indicate who they even are anymore. Another thing that you just see all over the place is just boats everywhere with no way of really collecting them. To finish up this video, here is a bunch of before and after pictures with the location in the upper right. This before and after may be a little hard to believe, but sure enough, these buildings are just gone. This photo was taken near the pier, and the only thing really left of it is just a lone tower.